Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson number 14, chips and fries. So students, do you like to eat chips and fries? Yes, I know that you like to eat chips and fries very much. So today in this lesson we are going to learn about junk food. Why junk food is bad for health, the health problems caused by junk food, how healthy food is better than junk food. So let's start. So the students, now we are going to see the pictures of junk food and healthy food. So let's see the picture now. So students, see the picture. These are the junk food: burger, pizza, donut, French fries, chips. This all the picture is of junk food and it is not healthy for our body. And see this picture. In the picture you can see some vegetables, some fruits, egg, fish are the healthy food. These are the healthy food and we never get sick from this food. So we should eat this healthy food. Farhat likes to eat pizzas and burgers very often, but her parents do not allow her to eat those food items. Why do you think so? Yes, Farhat likes to eat pizzas and burgers very often, but why her parents are not allowing her to eat those food items? Because pizzas and burgers are not good for health. We should not eat them very often. We eat a variety of food items every day. Food gives us energy, help us to grow and keep us healthy. Some items are tasty but not so good for health. So students, what do? We eat a different variety of food every day and food gives us energy and it also helps us to grow and keeps us healthy. Some food items are very tasty but it is not good for our health, so we should not eat them. Yes student, see the picture properly. Can you name the food items which is given in the picture? Yes, what it is? It is pizza, burger, samosa, chaats, noodles, chips, chocolates, and so on. Students, we all like to have food items like pizzas, burgers, samosa, chaat, noodles, chips, chocolates, and so on. We like them too much because they are very tasty. But these food items contain a lot of sugar, salt, oil, cheese, and so on. If eaten often, they are not good for our health. So, such food items are called junk food. It does not give us nutrient to our body. Students, we have seen that junk food contains a lot of sugar, salt, oil, cheese and butter. Yes or no? Yes, junk food contains a lot of sugar, salt, oil, cheese and butter. It is not good for health. It is not good for health. Why it is tasty but not good for health? Let us find out. Junk food is usually not fresh food. Many other harmful items are added to it. Yes, junk food is not a usually fresh food. Many other harmful items are added to it. These things make it tasty and ready to eat. These things make it tasty and ready to eat. Eating too much of junk food causes health problem. Eating so much of junk food will cause the problem to our health. The food that we eat should contain nutrients like vitamins and minerals. They keep us healthy. They help us to grow. They also protect us from sickness. Junk food does not contain these nutrients. So the students, the food that we should eat should contain many more nutrients in that, like vitamins and minerals. They keep us healthy and they also help us to grow. So we should eat healthy food. They also protect us from sickness, and junk food does not contain any nutrients. So we should not eat junk food. We should eat only a healthy food. So student, what we should do? We should avoid eating junk food and we should start eating healthy food, the food that gives us energy. For example, rice and roti, it gives us energy. We should also start eating food that make us strong and help us to grow. For example, dal, milk and eggs. Foods that protect us from sickness, for example, fruits and vegetables. So we should start eating this healthy food. So students, see the picture. We should eat food like dal, rice, roti, vegetables, fruits, milk and so on. These are the healthy food and it help us to make us strong and healthy, and it also help us to grow, and this help us to protect from sickness. So students, do you know that junk food causes many health problems? For example, our stomach is not able to break down such food easily. So we will get stomach problem. Yes, our stomach is not able to break down such a heavy food easily. So we are getting stomach problem. Then it makes us fat. Eating junk food makes us fat, weak and lazy. It affects our growth. Yes, it also affects to our growth. Children's eating junk food fall ill very often. Children, those who are eating junk food, they are falling sick again and again. So we should not eat junk food. So students, let's do some activity. Let us compare junk food with healthy food. Now we are going to compare the junk food with the healthy food. First we will see the healthy food column. Okay, healthy food, it is very useful for our body. Healthy food is very useful for our body. It helps us to grow. It helps us to keep us strong, fit and fine. Healthy food helps us to keep us strong, fit and fine. It is freshly prepared. Healthy food is freshly prepared. It does not have any harmful items in it. Healthy food does not have any harmful items in it. Now let's see about junk food. It harms us in many ways. Yes, junk food harms us in many ways. It harms our growth. It makes us weak and sick. Junk food harms our growth and it makes us weak and sick. It may not be fresh. Junk food is not a fresh food. It may have harmful items added to it. Yes, it may be having many harmful items added to it. This make it easy to cook and taste good. These food items make it easy to cook and it is very tasty, but it is not good for our health. So students, see, here are some junk food items. Find out what makes them junk. So let's start over here in the picture. What it is given? French fries, samosas, burger and soft drink. So let's start. So see the picture. The first one is French fries, and oil and salt make them junk. Oil and salt make them junk food. Then the next one is samosas. Too much oil and salt make them junk food. Too much of oil and salt make them junk food. Then the next one is burger, and it is your favorite. I know that. Yes, burger. But too much of cheese and salt make it junk food. Yes, too much of cheese and salt make it a junk food. Then the next is soft drinks. Next is what? Soft drinks. So too much sugar makes it junk. In the soft drink there is too much quantity of sugar. Yes, in soft drink there is a large amount of sugar and it makes it junk. So we should not drink soft drink every day. Student, I am going to tell you some amazing fact. So let's see. A single can of Coca-Cola. You must have been seen a can of Coca-Cola. See in the picture it is there. Yes, this single can of Coca-Cola has about 8 to 10 teaspoon of sugar. Is having 8 to 10 teaspoon of sugar in it. And if you drink a can of Coca-Cola every day, for a month it is equal to almost a whole bag of sugar. If you are drinking this Coca-Cola can for every day, so for a month it will be equal to the almost a whole bag of sugar. So student, you should not drink this every day. Okay. So students, let's start with some activity now. Okay, and in this activity you are going to do with your parents. Now we are going to prepare a pinwheel, a paper pinwheel. A pinwheel is a child's simple toy made of paper. The wheel spins when blown on by a person or breeze. Students, see the picture. In the picture a pinwheel is given and this we are going to prepare it now. So let's start. So students, you will need color paper, pin, pencil, scissor, straw and some glue to do this pinwheel. These all the things you will require. Begin with the square piece of paper. We have to take a colored square piece of paper to make a pinwheel. Then you have to fold your square corner to corner. See how the squares have been folded. Say it properly how it is folded. After folding it, you have to unfold the corners again. What you have to do? You have to unfold the corners again. So you will see the lines on the paper. Now students, what you have to do? You have to make a pencil mark about 1/3 of the way from the center along the folded line. You have to make a pencil mark from the 1/3 of the way. So see. So students, now what you have to do? You have to cut along 4 lines up to your pencil mark. See in the picture, you have to cut the lines up to the pencil mark. From all the 4 sides, you will cut it with the scissor up to the pencil marks. Where it is, pencil mark is there, you are going to cut it. So students, see we had cutted all our 4 sides. And now students, you have to fold alternate corners in the center. See, we have to fold the corners and we have to stick it in the center. Alternate corners you are going to fold it and you are going to stick it in the center. All 4 corners you are going to fold it and stick it in the center. See, we had done over here and you have to stick it properly, otherwise it will get open. So again we are sticking it. Stick it properly. Okay. Now students, you have to take a pin and you have to put it in the center. We have to put it in the center, that pin, and we have to stick a straw or stick. You can join a straw or stick so that your pinwheel will be ready. Now see, your pinwheel is ready to spin. So this is your pinwheel and it is ready now.